Welcome to my website and YouTube channel. I'm Chelly Wood, the doll clothing designer, YouTuber, and writer. I wanted to ask people to please submit requests for doll clothes. The comments you leave, whether on YouTube or on my website, really help the algorithms understand that I'm creating something that's useful for people. And for those of you who live outside the United States, yes, I have clicked the little button that allows for translation, and it sounds very stilted. I'm sorry about that, but I want you to realize that A4 sewing patterns are something I know how to make, and I can convert my patterns from American printer paper size to A4 if you leave a request. It helps on the website if you leave a request as a comment on the page that you want me to redo those patterns. If you just say it like, I would love it if you made some A4 patterns, I need to know which doll. If it's on the website, that helps a lot. I want to show you that I actually keep a booklet of all the requests you guys have submitted for years. And as I come to them, I mark them out once I have created that pattern. My purpose for this channel and my website is to share the gift I have for making doll clothes sewing patterns. I don't use like a computer-generated software to do this. I do it the old-fashioned way, the way my great-grandmother designed patterns. And I make all my own videos. I make my own patterns. I do all my pattern testing. I write all the blog posts, and I make mistakes. So please help troubleshoot any mistakes you come across. Since I'm the only person running this channel and website, I count on my viewers to let me know if there's a problem. So if you do find a problem, I take it down, I redesign it, I check to make sure that for example, my seam allowances are accurate. Often I hand sew to make sure my seam allowances are accurate. And I love what I do. So I also want to share a little known fact with you. People ask me, why do you give your patterns away for free? Like they think I'm trying to sell their data or something, and that's not who I am. The reason I'm very generous is because I am, strangely enough, a near-death experiencer. If you don't know what that means I have clinically died before. In fact, I'm writing about that. I'm creating a memoir about it. And, you know, when you get to see the bigger picture, you understand that this gift I've been given is something I'm supposed to share with the public. And I'm happy to share it with the public. It makes me feel good, and I get to do what I love, which is design doll clothes sewing patterns. I do a lot of craft patterns too, and if there's something you would like to see me design, submit it, even if it's not doll clothes. Because I do like cat toys, and there's a whole craft section. I've done pin cushions. You can see one behind me. So let me know if there's something special that you would like me to design. And I hope you guys thoroughly enjoy learning and growing and expanding your own sewing skills.